Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is your next 48 hours. It's a pick a card reading, so you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. Choose only one card. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose red pile, your next 48 hours. So pile number 1, in the next 24 hours you are going to lose some materialistic things or finances. You may be overly spending. So be careful about your money or materialistic things. Another meaning, maybe if you are very much attached or greedy towards your materialistic things or finances, in the next 48 hours you won't be that much greedy, or at least you are not clingy towards your materialistic things, at least for this 48 hours. Because basically you are a person who is very, very clingy towards finances or materialistic things, who don't want to slip the finances or materialistic things, who don't want to share those things with others. I think this card we got in karma reading. I think you are getting that karma. Anyway, okay, so anyway, this 48 hours, either you are going to lose the money, or at least you are going to spend the money without thinking. But here I am not getting that, because this person itself a very greedy person or very clingy towards materialistic things. They don't spend money recklessly. They spend each and every coin very carefully. So I think you are going to lose some money. Whatever money you are holding very tightly, money or materialistic things. It is not just finances, any kind of materialistic things also. So in the next 48 hours, either you may be fearing of losing that, or you are going to lose that. So see, fear is also one kind of manifestation. If you are fearing of something, that means simply you are manifesting that. So here, if you are fearing of losing your materialistic things because of yesterday's karma reading, here you are going to lose that money. Or it is happening. It may be happening. So there is a chances. No need to worry. See, the thing is, money will come and go. Here you need to understand that. So number 1, you should understand that because of this clingy nature, you are not even enjoying your life. You are very much busy with this, holding these coins. When you will enjoy your life? There is so much life, not just these 4 coins, which you are holding tightly and sitting at one place. You are not even participating in life. Enjoying is a different thing. You are not even participating in life. You are simply busy in holding your coins or materialistic things. Learn, understood. There is a life, we need to participate, we need to enjoy. There are ups and downs, that is a process, we need to go through it. Here you are not doing anything just because you want to hold these coins. So I think in this 48 hours you are going to learn something from this, because anyway whatever coins you are holding, you are going to miss it. No matter how clingy you are, how carefully you are holding those coins, you are going to lose something. So here you are going to learn the lessons, at least that you should not clingy towards your materialistic things. Maybe that is a lesson you are going to learn in these 48 hours, I can say. So anyway, this 48 hours you are watching the reading, so take care of your wealth. Okay, if it is not in this way, okay, you should learn. If you have money and if you have fears about someone will come and take you, you should learn. At least in this 48 hours, sit and look for different kind of investments where you can invest your money. which is secure. You can get returns in a secure way. Money or materialistic things. You just concentrate on those things. Anyway, here you are going to either lose some money or you are going to spend your time in here I'm strongly getting. Yesterday we got this card in karma reading. I don't know which pile we got. I think if you are yesterday you watched that karma reading, maybe you have that fear of losing this money, because yesterday someone got this card that they are going to lose money because of karma, and today we are got this in 48 hours. So I think you may be in that fear of losing that materialistic things. Leave it. You need to learn that, because these materialistic things are temporary things. It will come and go. Life also a temporary thing. We need to enjoy the life. We need to enjoy that process, not stick with these materialistic things. Here you already lost so much time in your life. You are not even enjoying, not even participating in life. You are just simply okay. At least you are not even earning more, because you are very much busy with this money. Where you will go and where you will earn. So I think in the 48 hours, stop fearing about losing your money. Start thinking about how to invest your money in a safest way. That will be good for you. If you are losing money also, no need to worry. Don't worry. It's a common thing. Money itself is for coming and going. It won't stay. Okay. So let's move on to pile number 2. Who choose blue pile? Your next 48 hours. So pile number 2, you are going to enjoy your family life. You may be not spending time with your partner. If you are a married person, even if you are a single also, you may be having partnership, because it is a partnership card, 4 of Wands. Or at least thinking about your marriage. No, here 2 people are there. So definitely you will be having someone in your brain at least. So in the next 48 hours, you are going to think about your married life. If you are a married person, if you are already having partner, you are going to enjoy that family life. You both will enjoy that family life. If you are busy, you are not spending time, you are not giving time to your partner, you are going to give that in these 48 hours will be time for your family, time for your partner. If you are a single person, you don't have anyone, at least you are fantasizing or daydreaming about your family life with your partner. It is like completely partnership card. Completely it is couple card, 4 of Wands. It's a committed, stable, committed relationship, marriage kind of card. So here, if you are a married person, you are going to enjoy this in real life. If you are an unmarried person, you are going to daydream about your future wife, future husband, partner, future spouse, whoever. If you have someone, or if you don't have also, you are going to fantasize, or you are going to daydream about your future with your spouse, your family life, how you are going to spend. It is completely beautiful couples who are enjoying their own time, their couple time, I can say, without having any disturbances. In other case, you are going to enjoy with your family also, family, close friends who are like family. You are going to spend your time with people who are family, or at least friends who are like family. If you are not attended any kind of parties, especially family gatherings, family parties, in this 48 hours, you are going to throw a party to your family members. It is small get together type, or you are going to attend some kind of small gathering where your whole family or whole friends who are very close friends will be attended. There you are going to enjoy so much happy moments. If at all you are busy with your professional life, in this next 48 hours you are going to enjoy that atmosphere family atmosphere, and you are going to forget about all those tensions, work related tensions or work pressures. No matter whether you are a professional or business person, you are going to forget about everything. In the next 48 hours your complete focus will be on your family life. Your complete focus will be on your family life and creating some beautiful memories, I can say. Creating some beautiful memories, moments with your family members. If you are married, with your spouse. If you are not married, with your family or friends who are very close to you. That will be your next 48 hours. So enjoy with your that next 48 hours. Anyway, it is a weekend. So enjoy next 48 hours with your family. If you have any kind of work related appointments, also cancel those things, because this next 48 hours will be helpful to spend time with your family members. Maybe see, in the work pressure we will forget that, even our brain won't think about this kind of moments. So in the next 48 hours you are going to get such a beautiful time. So don't waste that 48 hours. Spend time with your family. Forget about everything. Even though if you have any kind of other work professional appointments, also try to cancel it and spend time with your family. It will be good for you. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose green pile. Your next 48 hours. So pile number 3, I think you are upset about something or disappointed about something in your love life. You are not at all interested in investing your feelings in some relationship or towards someone. Ace of Cups means offering your love to someone, but here it is in the reverse. You don't want to do that, then don't do it. If you don't want to give your love to someone, don't do it. If you think that it is not worth it, don't do it. Don't waste your feelings on someone who is not understanding your feelings. You may be thought that this relationship going to work out, or at least whomever you are having feelings, you may thought that that person will understand your feelings or understand your love. It is a beautiful card. Ace of Cups means lot of love towards someone. You lost that hope now. You don't know what happened. You lost that hope and you are not seeing any kind of new beginning in that relationship. You are not feeling that love towards in that situation, in that relationship, or towards that person. You don't have any kind of feelings. It is like dried. Those feelings, emotions all are dried now. Then don't do it. You don't force yourself. Pile number 3. See, it is very natural. Don't force yourself to give this cup to someone who don't value this cup. That means simply who don't value your emotions. Don't try to show your emotions to such people, because they won't lose anything, but you will get drained. You feel unworthy. You feel different kind of self-doubts will be created within yourself. So don't try to do anything forcefully. It is your life, your feelings, your emotions. Think about it. Before giving this cup to someone, give this cup to yourself. Show that kindness, show that feelings, show that emotions to yourself. Whether the other person will understand it or not, either one person or no matter what kind of relationship it is. They understand it or not, first you should understand. You should give importance to these feelings, these emotions. First, you don't know. That's why you are giving to someone who is unworthy. You are not unworthy. They are unworthy of these feelings. So keep this cup with yourself. Pile number 3. In the next 48 hours, there is a huge chances that you are going to feel unworthy or you are going to feel drained emotionally. You are going to feel like everything is ended. It may be ended in the relationship because you are not going to feel any kind of emotions in that relationship because you are drained completely. In the next 48 hours, you feel like drained. So that's why, see, forget about that relationship. Here, you are very important. Understand? You, if it is 2 of cups, there is equal give and take. Someone is offering 1 cup to you, you are offering your cup to them. It is Ace of Cups. You are offering your cup to them. They are not giving in the return. That's why it is in the reverse. You got drained. You are feeling emotionally drained. So it is very important you to know that you should give this cup to yourself and understand your self-worth. Give importance to yourself. Don't forget about everyone. In the next 48 hours, concentrate on yourself. Whatever feelings you are feeling towards someone, feel those same feelings towards yourself. You will see the new beginnings then. Because when you offer this cup to yourself, it will be in the upright. You will receive the cup of love from opposite person who is really know your worth. Here I think you are offering the cup to someone who don't know your worth or who don't care about your emotions or feelings. So don't drain yourself. Okay, give this love and care to yourself in the next 48 hours. Go out, pamper yourself, give love to yourself, give some special treatment to yourself, cook something. If you don't, if you know cooking, cook something special and eat. If you don't know cooking, go out and eat. Okay, don't spoil your stomach. But this 48 hours, concentrate on yourself because here it is a very important for you. Here you are going to get lot of negative thoughts, lot of self-worth issues. You are going to face self-worth issues also. No need to do that. You are a worthy person. You should understand that. Try to read some self-affirmations. Do some bath rituals. It is for next 48 hours. I think it will be anyway weekend. So if you are a working person also, weekend everyone will be free. Treat yourself like a queen, princess, queen or king. No need to worry about this reverse Ace of Cup. Okay, forget about that person whom you want to start something new. Forget about that situation and person. Just concentrate on yourself. Okay, that will be new beginning for yourself. Give some new beginning to yourself before giving new beginning to someone. Don't waste your 48 hours by emotionally draining or crying over this cup, this rejected offer, or it is kind of rejection. Don't do that. Okay, give that 48 hours, spend that 48 hours wisely on yourself. Let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose white pile? Your next 48 hours. So pile number 4. In the next 48 hours, you are going to lose passion about something, or you are not going to feel passionate about something in your life. You feel very angry and frustrated, maybe because of stress. I can say it is like stress. So next 48 hours, you are going to face some kind of disappointment or frustration, anger. Or I think someone in your life, they are going to create all these things to you. Of course, just simply we won't get that frustration and anger. No, there is someone in your life who is inconsistent or unstable with nature. Knight of Wands in the reverse is like they are unstable. One moment they think something, other moment they will think some other thing. Maybe you are related to them or you are dependent on them. No matter who is this person, someone like Knight of Wands is going to irritate you for next 48 hours. So be careful. If possible, cut this person for 48 hours. Okay, because this person will going to piss you off. Even though if they are your family member, stay away from this person for 48 hours. Because this person is very inconsistent. They don't know what they want. They are very much confused. They want something in one moment, next moment they change their mind. Inconsistent mind. So because of this person, next 48 hours there is a huge chances that you are going to get angry, you are going to get frustrated, because this kind of people will be around. And definitely will get pissed off. First, I get really pissed off because of this inconsistent people. So here there is someone in your life, even though it is in the family also, brothers, sisters, siblings, anyone. And next 48 hours is weekend. So maybe you are going to spend this kind of person in your 48 hours. They are going to irritate you. So anyway, you are watching this reading. So try to cut this person for 48 hours, no matter who they are. Stay away from this person. That will be good for you. If they are not with you, don't try to think about this person for 48 hours. That will be good for you. If at all, if you think about this person or if you come in contact with this person, they are going to piss you off. Your 48 hours will be with lot of anger mode or a lot of frustration, stress. Everything will become which is not good for your mental health. That's why I'm telling you. Spend your 48 hours with people who can give you mental peace. Okay, where you can have some mental peace, because it's a weekend, so we should be, if you spend 2 days peacefully, then next 5 days we will work effectively. Or else this frustration will be continue for next week also. It will affect your physical health after that. So that's why pile number 4, whoever choose this, stay away from this kind of person who is very inconsistent, who don't know how to make decision, because this person is very indecisive. That's what they are, inconsistent. They don't know what they want. They are very much confused and they are going to piss you off with their confusion, I can say. So that's why stay out of this person. You will be happy. There is a huge chances that this person is going to piss you off, or this person is going to make you disturbed mentally. Be careful. Let's move on to pile number 5, who choose yellow pile for the next 48 hours. So pile number 5, in the next 48 hours you will speak immaturely. You should think before speaking, because here there is a chances that you are going to speak immaturely and you are going to hurt someone because of your immature words or immature nature. I think you have some differences, or you are not in a good mood, I can say. In the next 48 hours, you won't be in a good mood. I think you are looking for something, or you want to prove something to someone. you are like little bit frustrated. So here the thing is, you are not going to do anything, but with your words you are going, there is a chances that you are going to hurt people around you because of your immature words. So in the 48 hours, whoever you are meeting, whoever you are going to speak, think before you speak. No matter what about what you are speaking, before telling to someone something or before telling anything to anyone, think. Without thinking, don't throw your words on others, because there is a huge chances that you are going to create some conflicts with others, or you are going to hurt people. If at all it is a relationship, if at all it is a family, you are going to disturb your family life. Even if it is friends also, you are going to disturb that connections because of your immature behavior. It is words, not just actions. It is just words. Whatever you are talking, telling, be careful. You need to take care about your words in the next 48 hours. Here, Page of Swords is completely communication. But the thing is here, you are not communicating in a proper way. It is a Page of Swords, very mature kid. Immaturity is there. No matter what age you are, you speak very maturely. And not only that, you are going through something where you are not feeling happy. You are not happy. You are feeling very much upset. You are not happy, you are upset, and because of that upset and because of that immature nature, immaturity, you are going to throw your words on people which can hurt them, which can ruin your connections, whether it is a relationships or friendships. So in the next 48 hours, it is very important for you to take care about your words. Whatever words you are throwing towards others, it is very important to take care of it. Because once you tell something, you cannot take back those words. Actually, the thing is here, you are upset and you speak immaturely, but you know that, not other people, okay? You may be upset, but they don't know that you are upset or what is going on in your brain or in your life. When you are throwing some words, they only consider those words, and you can't even take back those words. So in the next 48 hours, better don't speak to anyone. Okay, spend time with yourself, because you are very much upset about something. So take time out for yourself. Spend alone time, I can say. Spend some time alone. After coming out of this upset mood, whatever has happened, after coming out of this upset, you can mingle with people, you can talk. If at all, even though if you want to share some kind of information also, I don't think this 48 hours is good for you. Because even though if you are sharing some information also, in the next 48 hours, the way you behave, that will misguide people. Even though if you are telling something in a good way, because of your behavior, because of your mindset, they will take it in a wrong way. There's a huge chances. So that's why pile number 5, whoever choose this, until unless it is very important, don't talk to anyone. Spend time with yourself. Watch some movies, read some books, whatever you want to do it. But when it comes to communication, if it is very necessary, then only speak. And before speaking also, think what you are speaking. That is very important, because it is completely your words that are going to hurt others. Okay, so be careful this 48 hours with your words. Okay, use your words carefully. Don't hurt anyone just because you are upset. Just see, you won't be upset in whole life. It just for some time. Something happened, maybe you are upset, but it doesn't mean that you throw this upset, you throw this anger on someone. Okay, whatever has happened, it is your life. You need to handle it. You no need to throw that thing to others. It will ruin your connections. So here there is a huge chances that you are going to show that upset on each and everyone. So that's why be careful in the next 48 hours. If it is necessary, then only communicate. Even though if you are communicating, before speaking, think what you are telling. Okay. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.